So today we're going to be doing this look right here. I call it Candy Cane Wonderland. This is the look of my makeup. And yes, I am almost 50 years old and I got this look. So stay tuned to see how you can get this look as well. Okay, so starting with the Snail Mucin right here. We are going to be using a primer, 2 of them actually, because I usually do 2 of them, guys, because we're going to do the eyeliner like candy canes. Ronnie here is one of my favorites. This is, again, an orange-based concealer. And I'm taking a damp beauty blender right here to actually blend it in. And now we're going to go in with this one. And you're going to see how much difference just a color corrector can make. Look at the difference between the 2 eyes. We're going to go in with the foundation, which again is we've got a lot of L'Oreal products today. L'Oreal True Match, and this one is the Classic Ivory. Using this Lumi highlighter and mixing it with the foundation. Not a lot, just a little bit, and start blending it in. So with all the products that I'm using, this is going to be a nice holiday look. We're going to go in with a powder foundation to give us a little bit more coverage. And that's going to be the Estee Lauder about it. And we are using the soft brown in Mad Love, guys. Soft brown. And then we just stamp it. This is your NYX Jumbo Crayon in Milk. So I use this one as a primer. I'll be starting for the eyes actually. And this is a highlighter bronzing kit by Physicians Formula. It has a little mirror in it. You can do it on the get. So we're going to go in now to actually get that lower lid color the way I want it. Then I'm going to go on top of it when it's still a little wet with this holographic opal shade by, again, a Maybelline. Because again, this one is affordable, guys, and really you can do so many looks with it. Especially, I just usually change up my eyeliner and stuff instead of like all my eye makeup. So here, face paint is what we're using for today's eyeliner. We'll be using, and these little colors, actually the individual ones come right out of this palette. I'm thinking, how did I do it? I think it's aiming for the end of my eyebrow. Next we're going to be using is this little fine graphic liner brush. Now we're going to go over the black, you guys, with the white. And we will probably have to do it twice. The highlighter off, we are going to go in with this one here, which is tagged down there below. Do our blush and highlighter. So for the blush, we're going to be using one by Tarte. But this is Party, P-A-A-A-R-T, by Tarte, guys. For the mascara, we're using Anastasia Beverly Hills today. Mascara for these faux lashes, we'll be using a long-lasting liquid lipstick, one of the Cat Suits by Wet n Wild. We're going to go over it with this one. There we go. Okay, so that's the look, guys. I'm going to go put my outfit on for today and do the hair so the hair is not just in a bow. And I'll show you that look. This is the makeup, guys. This was the makeup we were going for.